This video demonstrates the main features of neuroanatomist. What you see here is the result of work done as part of my master's project. It's still very much a work in progress, so consider this a proof of concept. The main feature is this 3D interactive visualization of a human brain here. It's derived from an MRI, so it's quite a realistic representation of the morphology. You can rotate it to view it from any angle, and if you hover over a region, it gives you a label telling you what you're looking at. If you click on a region, it gives you some options. You can change the level of granularity of the representation. So here we divide the parietal lobe into its gyri, and let's do the same thing for the frontal lobe. So it can represent quite a lot of detail. You can also virtually dissect the brain, so to speak, by removing parts. Oops. There. To see inside it, see behind different areas, etc. There's quite a lot of detail missing from the model still, but that should be complete soon. You can also get more information about a particular area. So if you click the more info option here, that refreshes this pane over here. Currently there's nothing written about the cingulate cortex, but it's also linked to external resources such as Wikipedia. There's also a quiz mode. As you'll see, it loads quite quickly because the data is cached in the browser using IndexedDB. There's two types of quiz. The first one here asks the user to find a particular area, in this case the occipital pole. You can do that by dividing the occipital lobe into parts and selecting the occipital pole. That's right. The left medial orbital frontal gyrus. If we get it wrong, so we select instead the left temporal lobe, it corrects us. Upon ending the quiz, it gives some feedback, some statistics about how many questions we got right, as well as keeping statistics on how often every area has been answered correctly. The other quiz mode is kind of a multiple choice thing. It shows you a specific area and asks you what it is. This looks like the left hippocampus. Yep. And again, if you get it wrong, it tells you. So this is currently just a private alpha trial. It is online though, and I hope to make it publicly available for anyone to come along and play with within a few months. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you think this is interesting, you'd like to try it out before it's publicly available, you can send me an email. The easiest way to do that actually is to go to neuroanatomist.org and click the contact tab here, and you can send me an email.